Hi everyone, here Magdalena from Poland. This is Introduction to Music Production Week 2. Last time I told you about how the signal flows by the mixing board. Today I want to tell you about the analog to digital conversion process. So let's start from a simple graphic presentation which shows you how the analog and how the digital signal looks like. Okay, here we have the analog and digital signal, and it also looks like this: analog input, analog to digital conversion process, and digital output. And the other one, as you can see, sound, which is pressure variation in the air, hits an input transducer, in this case the microphone, and by the XLR cable comes to audio interface, where achieves line level signal. Here goes through the analog to digital converter, and it's important because the computer can understand the analog information, so we need some conversion to numbers, and it's a binary information. And that created digital signal goes to your DAW. And this process from continuous variable of sound to stream of ones and zeros, as you can see here, we call a sampling process. For the first, I want to tell you something more about binary information. You will see many numbers in your DAW in your music production process. Well, you should know that binary information is based on bit. Single one is 1 or 0. It's a single kind of memory. If we want to represent larger number, we have a collection of bit info into word. It's important to know how it works. For example, as you can see here, 1-bit word represent 2-bit word values. 2-bit word represent 4-bit word values, and so on. In digital audio, we have some standards example. CD standard, it's 16-bit word length. Studio standard is higher for recording, 24-bit word length. Word length is one of two important parameters in digital audio, and it's going to control your dynamic range. It's related to the amplitude. The second one is sampling rate. It's related to the frequency. When we convert sound from analog to digital, we're making many measurements per second, and how often we do this is called sampling rate. For example, it could be 44,100 Hz. It's CD standard. In your DAW, you can of course choose the number of sampling rate and word length. Thank you for watching. I hope it will be useful for you, and see you.